Good morning to all. In the previous class, we have studied about fertility of the soil and about various fertilizers used in agriculture field. Today, I will show a picture. Try to identify that picture. Do you see the picture? What is it? Can you identify the picture? Yes, it is a pest which is infecting a plant. Okay, very good. Then, can you say what are the measures taken by the farmers to control these pests? Yes, chemical pesticides. Okay, very good. Today, we are discussing about the topic pest control. Pest control. Mainly the farmers used chemical pesticides, isn't it? These pesticides are chemical substances that are meant to kill the pest. The chemical pesticides are used in field or agriculture field to eliminate or to control the pest that affect the agriculture crops and livestock, and also they decrease the productivity. Most commonly applied chemical pesticides are insecticides. They are used to control the insects. Then herbicides. They are used to control the weeds. Then rodenticides to control rodents. Then fungicides to control fungus, molds and mildew. Can you say the name of some chemical pesticides? Yes, DDT and malathion. DDT and malathion are the chemical pesticides, some of the chemical pesticides used in agriculture field. Okay. Then these chemical pesticides are used to control the pest from the agriculture field. Okay. When the pest acquire a resistance against these pesticides, this will result in using increasing level of chemical pesticides. Okay. എപ്പോഴാണോ ഈ പെസ്റ്റൊക്കെ ഈ കെമിക്കൽ പെസ്റ്റിസൈഡ്സിനെതിരെ അവ ഒരു റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് അക്യൂർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ആ സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ആ പെസ്റ്റിസൈഡ്സിന്റെ അളവ് നമുക്ക് കൂട്ടേണ്ടി വരുന്നു. ദിസ് വിൽ ഹാം ടു ദ എൻവയോൺമെന്റ് ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ അഫക്ട് ദ ഹെൽത്ത്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് us see. Excessive application of the chemical pesticides affect the environment. It results in deterioration of biodiversity. Okay, and also it affects the fertility of the soil. It affects the capacity of soil to hold plant nutrients. Okay, then it contaminates air, water and soil. Then it also affects the health. Okay, the short-term impacts are headache, nausea, etc. Then and chronic impacts are cancer and also affect the reproductive system. Okay, can you say the name of a chemical pesticide which is recently banned by the Supreme Court? Yes, endosulfan. Okay, very good. And endosulfan is a chemical pesticide which is used in the cashew plantation in Kasaragod districts, and it causes many harmful effects on the people. It results in cancer and it mainly affects the central nervous system of human beings. Okay, and the newborn babies get impaired due to the effect of this endosulfan. Due to these effects, the Supreme Court has banned sale and use of endosulfan in India. I will show a paper report.
Cancer patient toll on the rise. Thiruvananthapuram. The wide use of chemical pesticide is suspected to be an important reason for the increase in the number of cancer affected persons. The presence of pesticides identified in even groundwater has become a matter of great concern.
In that report, yes, it is about the number of increasing level of cancer, and according to that report, the use of chemical pesticide is the reasons for increasing level of cancer patients in Kerala. Okay, and it also contaminate the groundwater due to the large scale production of chemical pesticides. researchers does not give importance to other methods for pest control. Okay, although researchers proved that the ultrasonic sound waves can be used to control the pest. Ultrasonic sound waves are the sound waves which is higher than the audible limit of human being. Another method of controlling the multiplication of pests is destroying the reproductive capacity of male pest using radiation. That is using radiation. Next one is using pheromone trap. In this pheromone trap, we use artificial substances which are similar to that of the substances produced by the insects, and this will attract the insects and helps to control the pest by this method. The defect of this method is it get evaporated by heat and wind, and also it get dissolved in water during rainy season. Now using modern technologies, it is possible to develop pheromone traps which are not exposed to any physical or chemical changes. I will ask a question. Can you say some other measures used by farmers to control these pests? Yes, using Pugaila Kashayam and yes, Sharkara Kani. I will give you an activity. List out various measures taken by the farmers to control the pest instead of using chemical pesticides. Okay.